students. Let us do some numericals on refractive index. The first question is, light enters from air to glass having refractive index 1.5. What is the speed of light in the glass? The speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. From the question, it is clear that the light is entering from a rarer medium to a denser medium, and the refractive index of the denser medium is given as 1.5. What is the speed of light in the glass? The refractive index of the glass is 1.5 and the speed in glass is asked. What is the formula for refractive index? N is equal to C by V. C is given in the question as 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. You have N and C. Therefore, you can easily find out V from this formula. Refractive index of glass is 1.5. Speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. N is equal to C by V, where C is the speed of light in vacuum and V is the speed of light in medium. We know the formula for N as N is equal to C by V. Therefore, NV is equal to C when you cross multiply. V is equal to C by N. V is equal to C is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second divided by N is 1.5, which is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 8. Speed of light is C by Ng. Ng indicates refractive index of glass. 3 into 10 raised to 8 by 1.5, which is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. The second question is, velocity of light in water is 3 by 4 times the velocity of light in vacuum. Find the refractive index of water. What is given in the question? Velocity of light in water. It is 3 by 4 times the velocity of light in vacuum. Refractive index of water is asked. We know the formula for refractive index. N is equal to C by V. Here V is given as 3 by 4 times the velocity of light in vacuum. C and C get cancels and therefore it will be 1 by 3 by 4, which is equal to 4 by 3. Refractive index of water is velocity of light in vacuum to the velocity of light in water. Velocity of light in water is given in the question as 3 by 4 times the velocity of light in vacuum. 3 by 4 times the velocity of light in vacuum. 4 by 3 is 1.33. The third question is, the refractive index of diamond is 2.42. What is the meaning of this statement? The refractive index of diamond is given as 2.42. What is the formula for refractive index? N is equal to C by V. N is given as 2.42. 2.42 is equal to C by V. When you cross multiply like this, you can write 2.42 into V is equal to C into 1, that is C. What is V? V is equal to C by 2.42. That is 1 by 2.42 into C. Since this is a division, it is reduced by the speed of light in diamond is reduced by a factor 2.42, as this is a division. When you say the refractive index of diamond is 2.42, it indicates that the speed of light in diamond is lower by a factor of 2.42 relative to that in vacuum. In this session, we learned how to solve numericals based on refractive index. Refractive index formula is N is equal to C by V. It is the ratio of the speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in that medium. As this is a ratio of two similar quantities, it has no unit. In the formula, N is equal to C by V, the value of C is always 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. In the next class, we will learn about spherical lenses. See you.